I'm Susan Heath, love coach, love and life coach I must say, and happiness maker. I'm helping the people to find the love towards themselves, to find the right partners, to solve problems, and yeah, to become happy. So, and therefore I'm offering now a new dating possibility. It's called naked dating. In Germany they don't offer this, in some other countries they do, and I want to establish it here in Germany because I think if you meet someone naked you are much more able to find the true love. So I call my dating workshops naked dating for real or for true love. I must say true love, because this is what we are looking for. And I'm really convinced that if you meet somebody naked, without any makeup, without any possibility to hide yourself with expensive clothes, with cheap clothes, with nice clothes, with ugly clothes, with a lot of makeup, a lot of push-up hair, push-up bra, etc., etc., that you are much more able to show also your inner value, your inner thinking, the way you really are. And I want to meet the people naked, but not just get in touch naked. I want to do it in steps, or I offer this in steps in my workshops. So first you get together, but you don't see each other immediately, because you also have to find out, can you smell somebody? Can you touch somebody? I mean, how does the skin feel, etc. And honestly, my workshops, Naked Dating for True Love, are not for sexual meetings. If people get involved later on, let them do what they want. And I encourage people to feel free, but the workshops is not for the sexual meeting, as is to find naked dating for true love, and this is a big difference. And I would be interested in what you what you are saying to this, and please leave a comment below my YouTube video so that we can discuss it. And maybe I see you in one of my workshops. My name is Susan Heath. You will find more on my homepage, susanheath.de. And if you have any questions, just let me know, and I see you. Bye! So, jetzt haben wir das.